everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and today you all know there's a sale going on. So this is another unique and special product which I am launching for this upcoming new year for transformations to happen. This is called as the resins, basically. So now, what do we do with resins? Now, most of the houses down south, what they do is they have these they burn charcoal discs on which they actually sprinkle a little bit of Google frankincense, and then they show the smoke around the house. This is quite famous here down south. Even in north, if I am not wrong, many houses or many places they burn the Google, the frankincense, and then they show around the house. Now, these are actually blends based on that. For example, now this is a green colored blend. I just hope you're able to see it. It's a green colored blend or a green colored resin. Now this resin, how does it work? It works in bringing in money. So this is nothing but a money drawing resin. A resin is a combination of certain resins from trees which will help in enhancing the purpose for what it is used. For example, if you burn a benzoin resin with frankincense combined, it brings in purification in the house, right? And sometimes we have this pine resin which is used as a main ingredient to bring in, say, protection in the house. So, like that, resins have their own calibers, and resins work beautifully when you use them in your camphor, or you get these cups, you get these I think frankincense cups, or they call as the dhoop cups, in which you burn it, and then in which you just put a little bit of this. Actually, I wanted to show you all with the cup, but I think the cup is not here. Let me just check if I can get a cup or something, and I can explain to you all, because I think that ways you people will get a clarity on how to do. So I've just asked some help for the cups. In the meantime, I'll explain the next one. Now this is a protection resin. If you see, it's quite a colorful resin. It's a protection resin. Now how does this resin help? It brings in protection to the house, and this is again made invoking the energies of Archangel Michael also, so that you can we get protection in the whole house. And I have made one more as the angel blessing resin. Now this is done with working of the blessings of the angels, invoked with the energies of the angels, and then energized with all the a few amazing respective angels, and then we invoke this and make this. Now this is the golden luck resin. When you combine this with your fast luck powder and with your fast luck oil, it is more like bringing in beautiful energies in your life. So what do? We burn this cup. You get these type of cups. Okay, what you will do is, I actually have a bottle which I keep using it for my purposes. I have actually mixed all these resins and kept, so I will show you from that. Because I burn them every day. What I do is I take a pinch of everything. Actually, I have taken all the things together and I have made one mix here. So what we do is we take this cup. Okay, now if you want this cup also, I can send you the cup. That is not an issue. We take a little bit of this and we put inside. Now when I say little bit, at least it should be inside the cup to some extent. Okay, and then when you burn this cup, it will emit a smoke, and that smoke you can show it around your house, around your business place. As I said, for money you can use this, for bringing luck you can use this, for blessings of angels, and for protection. You can always pick up all the four, combine all the four together, add a little bit of frankincense in it and keep it, and you can use it every day in dhoop cups like this. If you don't have these dhoop cups, you can also burn camphor and sprinkle a little bit of that and show it around the house, and it works beautifully. Believe me, the smell is so amazing that you will feel the presence of the divine when you're burning these also. Because I always if you see my Insta videos, if you see my spell videos, this cup is always there as burning. And I've been trying these making these and trying these resins for I think 4-5 months now, and I've seen tremendous divine energies around me. So I hope you all enjoyed it. It is going to be there as a part of the sale today also. Even after the sale, it is available. Those who want to pick up, you can WhatsApp me to 917-623-1990. I would be more than happy to help you all. You all must be wondering, why is it that I'm not talking about this resin? Because this resin is a part of a special kit, so I'm not talking about this resin. These are the 4 resins which will separately be there in the sale. So God bless you all. Share and subscribe it. I hope you all liked it. You can leave your comments if you want me to bring in resins on some specific issues, because I'm doing more research on resins also now. and I would love to do try new ones and bring in new ones for you all. And also, thank you. If you want to be a part of the broadcast group, then as usual, you can WhatsApp me. And God bless you all. May these lessons bring in loads of divinity and angel blessings in your life. Thank you.